It is a bird. It's trying.
What do we do? Get the camera in here.
Dude. I just filmed it, dude.
That's it. Take this.
Dude, wait. Let's do a mission. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, we got a bird, rogue bird here. It's cleared out. Let's get on. Alright.
Watch it like be up with just keep this.
Oh, God, dude. Okay. Let me enter. Okay, bird. Where you at? Bring in a trash can, dude.
I need to wear something if I'm doing this. If it flies at me, I swear to God, I'm gonna go fucking mad.
Dude.
I don't know.
Come on. Hey, you need to come up here.
That's it, dude. Yeah,
We're fucking bird hunters.
Like, seriously,
We're bird hunters.
I'm scared shitless right now.
Part of our
So is the bird.
There it is!
Oh! Get the fuck! Oh, he wants to get out, dude. We just opened the glass door.
Where is it?
Just open the fucking.
There it is.
He wants out. Open the screen too. Where you
Go,
at?
bird, go!
Get out! Where is it at?
I don't know where it's at. I don't know.
Oh! Hey, come on, dude! You can get out!
Go, down!
Oh, dude, this is a cool shot. Dude, this could be totally used for the music video. A bird chilling on the bike. Oh, come on, dude. Come on, you're so. Get the fuck out, man. Oh, come on, dude. We're helping. Oh, dude, you're so close. Come on. Oh, shit.
So, Isaiah.
Oh, god damn it. Isaiah, get in here with the motherfucking.
Where do I go with it? At it? I can't, like.
Yeah, you can. You can capture it up against the ceiling, then we can cap it.
Is it chilling on the ceiling?
Dude, just come on. Just come on. Dude, I wanted to be there for Isaiah.
Oh, it's hurting itself!
No, dude, it's not.
Window! Door fucking open, bird!
Door. Dude, you're so close. Where's it at now? Oh, it's fucking chilling. Get out. Dude. Fuck you, bird. Dude, it's so.
Oh, just look that way. Yes. Oh!
Yell at it, dude.
Bird window! Bird window!
You bastard.
Shit's fucked up.
It's really bright.
What the fuck?
No, dude, yes! Yes!
Oh my God!
Did it almost come in?
Dude, it did.
No, it didn't.
It did almost come in here.
Oh.
Dude, kiss again. What's up, dude?
Oh my God!
How you doing, dude?
Let's fucking watch that!
Dude, we can't look.
Dude.
This could be the best, like.
YouTube this shit, guys!
Dude, close this door and shit.
I'm filming him. He's looking at the door, dude.
Hey
Alright.
guys, that's hell now.
That's gonna be the